Hello, techies. We are in lab 2.3.6 and we're going to explore multiple locations in a lab. We are recently hired as a network technician for a small corporate network. Your new manager has just asked you to add network card and this obviously computer for safety. So we have a lot of details there that we're going to be working with. Install the PCI network adapter in the free PCI slot. Install a networking cable between the wall plate and the computer. And then okay, so when to make this the modem installed adapter. Okay, after you install the network adapter, plug in the computer and press the power button to start the computer. Using the settings app, verify that the computer has a connection to the network and the internet. Test to see if the uninterruptible power supplies are functioning properly in the network closet, and ensure the power and connectivity lights for the rack mounted networking devices are still on. Okay, all right, so with that lab, if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for you all. All right, so we are inside the lab and we go into Office 2 hardware, and we turn this is turned on, so let's turn this off and we turn this to the back and we unplug this. Go into the motherboard and we plug, let's see, we plug in the network adapter here. Okay, so install the PCI network adapter in the free PCI slot 1. Install a networking cable. Okay, so we go to the cables, we turn this back and we install the cable here. So one end is going to go into the port and the other end is going to go into the wall jack. Okay, all right, so this is done, this is done. Okay, so plug in this nope, plug in this the power cable here. Turn this on. And after you install the network adapter, plug in the computer and press power button. Using settings app, verify that the network has a connection to the network and the internet. Okay, so we just wait for this to turn on and then we'll verify that this is connected to network and internet. So we go into this area and the network and internet, it is connected. All right, so in the following closet, test to see if uninterrupted power supply. Okay, so we go into the hardware here and test that the uninterrupted power supply is working. So this is the uninterrupted power supply here. Remove 3 power cables from the wall plates. Let's see, where is the wall plate here? Let's see. Okay, there's a wall plate, so remove this and remove this and remove the third one. So what we're going to do is we're going to, okay, let's plug this and see. Okay, all right, so that is it. So we remove this and that is for this computer. So this is for these 3. You can see that it's still on, which means the UPS is still on. The UPS is still on. So, and this, let's see, is this on? Yep, this is still on. So definitely the UPS is working. If this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.